Stages of crop production, seed to harvest. Every loaf of bread, every bowl of rice, every fruit you eat started as a tiny seed, but what really happens between planting and harvest? Today, I'll walk you through the complete stages of crop production, from seed to harvest. Whether you're a student, farmer, agripreneur, or just curious about how food grows, this video will change how you see agriculture. Watch till the end. I'll also share powerful fun facts most people don't know. Don't forget to subscribe. We are building a global agriculture education community. Land preparation is the foundation of crop production. Good soil structure improves root growth, aeration, and water retention. What happens in land preparation stage? Clearing bushes, removing stones, plowing and harrowing, and soil testing. Fun fact, healthy soil contains more living organisms than there are people on Earth. Seed selection. Not all seeds are equal. The quality of your seed determines up to 50% of your harvest success. What happens in seed selection stage? Choosing high-quality seeds, checking viability, and disease-resistant varieties. Fun fact, some seeds can survive for hundreds of years under the right conditions. Planting. Spacing matters. When crops are too close, they compete for sunlight, nutrients, and water. Methods of planting include broadcasting, drilling, transplanting, and dibbling. Comment below, which crops are common in your area? Irrigation and water management. Water stress reduces yield significantly. Modern irrigation increases productivity and efficiency. Types of irrigation and water management, they include rain-fed, drip irrigation, sprinkler systems, and surface irrigation. Fun fact, agriculture uses about 70% of the world's freshwater supply. Weeds, pest, and disease control. Weeds compete, pests destroy, disease spreads. Proper monitoring protects your investment. Methods of weed, pest, and disease control: manual weeding, herbicides, biological control, and integrated pest management (IPM). Have you ever seen crop damage from pests? Tell me below. Fertilization and nutrient management. Plants need nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, known as NPK, for strong growth. Types of fertilization and nutrient management include organic manure, compost, chemical fertilizers, and foliar feeding. Fun fact, nitrogen is responsible for leafy green growth. Growth and maturity stage. Each stage requires different care. Too much fertilizer during flowering can reduce yield. Growth stages involves germination, vegetative stage, flowering, fruiting, maturity. Harvesting. Harvesting at the right time ensures quality, higher price, and reduced losses. Methods of harvesting are manual harvesting, mechanical harvesting, and proper timing. Fun fact, post-harvest losses can reach up to 30% in some developing countries. Post-harvest handling. Agriculture doesn't end at harvest. Value addition increases income. Post-harvest handling include storage, processing, packaging, and transportation. From a tiny seed to a full harvest, crop production is science, business, and life itself. Share this with someone studying agriculture.